So here's how to download Roblox Studio. First, you want to open your browser and then head to roblox.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, you want to click on the Create button on the top. And in this page, you can click on Launch Studio, or you can head to the Learn section and then click on Create. And then choose the Studio tab in here, and then scroll till you see Get Studio button. You can click on it and you should see the setup and system requirement. You can also click on Download Studio in here to start the download, and that should prompt you to download and install the Roblox Studio on your computer. Now once the installation starts, it should look like this, and it should be downloading and installing Roblox Studio. Now when it's done, you can click on the Start menu and see that Roblox Studio has been recently added, so you can click on it. If you don't see it, you can search for Roblox Studio and click on it to open it and start using the studio. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.